Hi everyone, Eric Egley here for FJ Westcott. I have 3 7-foot umbrellas behind us. Each one is different, silver, white, and a shoot-through. The quality of light changes with each one of those, and I select the umbrella based upon the mood and style that I'm going for. So we'll take a look at that with our beautiful model counter, and we'll get started right away. We're gonna start off with our 7-foot shoot-through umbrella. This is one of my absolute favorite styles of modifiers. The 7-foot, it's a nice broad source, and what you get is a sort of a hotter center, and then it gradients out as you project that light through it, which gives you a really nice painterly look on your talent. We'll take a look at the transitions from shadows to highlights, and of course the edges on the shadows, because that determines the softness, and it all is based upon the quality of light. So let's take a look at what we have. We're going to change over to the white interior umbrella. So this, what's going to happen is we're going to shoot the light into the interior of the umbrella. It's going to bounce back out. So you're going to get a nice, wide, sort of even light pattern. The quality of light is going to be similar to the shoot-through. It's going to be a little harder edge though. So you're going to get a more defined transition between those highlights and the shadow areas. So let's take a look at what we have. We're going to change over to the silver umbrella now. This is 7-foot silver, and what you're going to see is a totally different quality of light. I like using this when I'm shooting fashion or even beauty shots. This gives you much higher specularity or much brighter highlights, okay? So you get that much more three-dimensional look because you have those contrast ratios that are much shorter and tighter. Okay, so I really like this because it brings out form and feature, texture, and then of course the contrast. So let's take a look at what we have with this. I think you're going to like it. All right, so we're done with the shoot, and as you can see, very different quality of light through the 3 different umbrellas that we have. We have the 7-foot white, which we bounced into, 7-foot silver, very highly reflective, and then of course the shoot-through, which is, I love working with a broad light source like that and a broad modifier because it gives me so many options. As you see these images pop up, remember that was just one light. I didn't have any other lights on set, just that one light, and absolutely beautiful effect, beautiful quality of light from each of those. Tell us which ones you like below, and definitely subscribe to this channel and check us out at fjwestcott.com. Thanks.